Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Flossie here. If it's your first time tuning into my channel, thank you so much. I do things relating to fashion, travel, and lifestyle. And if you're returning, thank you very much. And also, I see the new subscribers. Thank you for your support. Welcome. You're welcome into this family where it's always fun, bubbly, fashion. We love colors, positivity, nothing but positivity on here. Thank you so much once again. As promised, I have got a collective haul. A lot of these pieces are actually been purchasing or getting from the past, I think since March, April, May. Now we're in May, past couple of weeks as well. And you know what, to be honest, most of it, at least 80 to 85% of these items are still available on their website, or they've got to notify me when it's available, which is quite good. So today we have got H&M, we've got Mango, we've got ASOS, we've got Topshop, I have got Bershka. I got it all. I've got the shebang. You understand what I mean? So because this girl is going to be all out this weather, especially now that we're all allowed out. I apologize, the Zara one, literally when I was editing, I noticed that it was quite a long video. This one again, I cannot promise that it's not going to be a long video, but all I can assure you is it's going to be a very interesting one. We're going to be mixing colors. I'm going to be showing different things. You know what, to top it all up, they're all in colors, and I'm going to be color blocking it. I'm going to be styling them for you. So we're going to be looking lit. We're going to be getting some inspiration. This video might be long, but one thing I can assure you, it's going to be interesting. Please, if you like your cup of tea, like I do, I love my cup of tea, please make sure you get a cup of tea or have a glass of wine, champagne next to you. Relax, lift your feet up and enjoy this, because this, I promise you, will be nice. To kickstart this haul, I have got these two items that I'm sure if you've been watching a few H&M haul, you've come across it. It's really nice. So it's this nice, beautiful zebra kind of black and white wide leg trouser, and it's got the elastic to it. It's got no zip to it at all, but it's got the side pocket. It's wide leg. I really like it. It's a satin effect kind of thing. I mean, one thing we know about zebra is classic. It's a classic thing, like you will need it every time, and it's for those, you know what, elegant ladies, if you get what I'm saying. So one thing about this that I know that I'm gonna get good use out of it, even if it is with, I want to dress it up or dress it down, or also I want to dress it, put it all together with the cord or not. To pair it up, I'm gonna be wearing it with this that on their website it says it's a dress. I'm not wearing it as a dress. It reminds me as a midi dress, like a just over the knee, but honestly I wanted a different look compared to what the long sleeve, like the pajama shirt, because I wanted to actually wear it in this summer weather. So I went with the dress, top dress kind of thing, and it's got like a knot to the top. It's sleeveless, it's nice and thick, the same quality, everything, can't complain. And you know what, this was actually on sale, £5 something. It was actually on sale. I'm not sure if it's still on the website. I will check, otherwise I will link something much similar, but the trouser is still available in some sizes. Also, just to notify, most items are actually size 10 to a small, size 10 or small, to be honest, and most of them I've got in a 10 or a small. I mean, this on here says £17.99, but I can assure you I didn't get it for that price. It was about £5 something. It was on sale. We know when H&M do sale, they do actually really good sale. So it is sleeveless. I did style it on my Instagram, yeah, but yeah, I really like this two-piece, so I'm gonna style them together. These trousers as well, I got it in a size small, size 10, size small 10. So yeah, really like it. Sticking to the H&M, the other item I have, which this is an item that honestly most people, and if you are into fashion, you know this pattern, there's no argument. It is a classic. It's a classy pattern that honestly you can wear all year round. Come years to come, even from during my mom's time, when I was a kid, I remember this pattern, and it's something that suits everybody. It's still on their website. I am like in love. I am obsessed with this two-piece cord. I'm talking about this beautiful leopard print. We all know leopard print is a classic. It is like so subtle, it is mellow, it suits anybody. So this leopard print, it comes as a pajama style trousers, elastic waist as well, and going down it's like a wide leg trousers. Going down is a bit flary. My only concern with this is I got it in a small, fits me everything, but for whatever reason I just feel when I put my heels on, it comes up, the trouser feels like it looks a bit short. I don't know, you guys tell me what you think, but I just feel it's a bit short. I'm 5'4", so I find it weird because it's the same shop from H&M, so how can the black and white look okay and this look a bit funny? Maybe it's just me, but I'd like to know what y'all think. But this as well, I got it in a small. This is also available on their website still. I believe it's just about £20 or so. Don't quote me, but I will put all the prices down in the description. But I am in love with this. It has the whole silky satin effect as well. Really beautiful. And to go with it, you know, your girl likes a cord. Why have one if I can have two? One instead of two. So I got the top in as well. So the top is like a pajama style kind of top, long sleeve. It's got the collar and it's got the buttons to it. The whole is black buttons, little tiny plastic black buttons. It's really nice. I mean, what I like about this is you can wear this top with something, with a black trousers or even with white trousers. So something, or you can make it be a statement, look really, really elegant with it. Or you can just wear them together and look casual. Or you can put them together, open the button, this look like a little jacket or something. So I really like, because it's like two-piece is so versatile. You can do so much. You can do so much with it. So I really, really like this. This as well, I got in a small. They are both available on the website. It's also got a silky satin kind of effect, but its quality, it doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel like a cheap one, which is really, really good. But yeah, we're moving into Mango now. I did buy quite a few things from Mango. Mango is another shop that, you know, the thing is, you don't really think straight to literally go and shop in Mango, even though they are quality stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I did see some things that are unique, because another thing is, you don't really want to look, everybody don't want to look the same. I really don't like to look the same like everybody else. So Mango is somewhere that you kind of get those unique pieces and things. And also, one thing I love about Mango is they have this points thing. So the more you spend, the more points. You could say it's a trap, I know. You could say it's a trick, I know. But who doesn't want to save money? So you have these little points that whenever you buy, you save, you get discounts and things. But anyway, let's move to the items I got from Mango. The first thing I'll show you is this beautiful, really beautiful linen blend trousers. I love this. It's giving me, I mean, it's true to color, I guess. It's like a burnt orange terracotta kind of look. I actually bought this to take on holiday. I did wear it on holiday. I'll show you how I styled it. And this as well is in a size 10. Very good quality. On their website, it has a blazer as well. I believe it's about $39.99 or so, but it is still available. And they have got two colors of it. They've got this kind of burnt orange and they've got like a darker brown, like a chocolatey brown. But I like this. I think it's different, more of my vibe. I really love this. And it's got the whole belt hook, so you can put belt, and you've got the button and you've got the zip. It's also like a wide leg, loose fit kind of trousers. Really nice for this weather. Really, really nice. And one thing with linen, it's also another classic weather. It's all year round. Like, you can wear it next year, the year to come. It never goes out, you know. And back in the days, they said linen are for the rich. But right now, yeah, thank you, thank God, we can all afford it now. It's a bit more reasonable. But it's not, you know, usually, another thing with linen, usually they feel quite hard. Honestly, this is not as hard or whatever. Maybe it's got a little bit of cotton to it, but on your website it says 100% linen, so I should believe that. Only thing is with linen is, if you're not a person who likes ironing, I mean, it gets rumpled very easily, or you wear it and you sit down, you have this crease on it. Otherwise, it's fine. Honestly, don't have issue with it. I love the quality of the trouser, can't complain. And I'll be styling it with the Zara top. I'll be styling it with the Zara top that I bought 2 seasons ago, like, I mean, last year summer. So I'm not going to show it. It is a broderie anglais top. And I mean, on their website right now, they've got quite a few variety of broderie anglais, which is another thing that it's always there. It's a trend that we've been seeing for past couple of years, and I don't think it's going anywhere. So I do like the combo together, and that was how I styled it. Another beautiful satin trousers that I got from Mango. This is more of like a more goldy color, but it's beautiful. I love these trousers. It's got the hook and eye to it, and it's got the zip, got the 2 box pleats on each side. In love with these trousers. I mean, when I bought it, I had to take it to the tailors to amend it, because it was a bit big on me. Even though it was a size 10, it was literally falling off me. It's a size 10, so it was falling off me. I just wanted that tight. Come on, I don't want trousers to look so loose on me, so I had to have it done. It's really nice, really lovely. I love this. It looks really, really classy. You can wear this with Like literally, I would personally dress this up because I like silk looking all dressed up, not dressed down, if you get what I mean. But I really love this. This is something that I can wear on a night out, go on a date, even go to work, and it's nice and cool for this weather. It is a thick satin, quite thick satin. Mango, then again, is quality as well. So but I really like it. It's a wide leg as well, and I'll be styling it with a top I got from ASOS. I love this top. I also featured it in my Zara haul. If you haven't watched that, I'm going to link it at the top for you as well, or in the description link below. Got this as well from ASOS. In love with this. I really like it. They've still got a few sizes as well. It's got the sweetheart neck to it, and it's like metallic champagne kind of gold, metallic champagne gold, and it's got this puff sleeve to it, and it's got the slim hand. Really like it. Together they look elegant, and that's the look we're going for. This is a silky satin kind of season, kind of moment. I went all out in Mango with the whole silk satin effect. Anyway, got this beautiful baby blue blouse from Mango as well. Nice and beautiful, colorless, in love with it, and it's got this plasticky kind of whitish button. Really like it. I think it's something that I can dress up like smart for church, for work and things, and I can freestyle it also for like a daytime, more of a casual look and things like that. And I thought this is nice, and I like the color, and it's just, look at that, for this season, like, you know what, I just could not resist. You can't resist it. I just couldn't. So I will be styling it, you know, your girl likes color blocking, with an item that I recently, from my previous haul, I told you a few things from Zara have not arrived yet. So yippee, some things arrived. So I'm gonna be styling it with these bang, beautiful yellow shorts. It's part of their new collection. It's got a zip on the side. I got this in a medium because I wasn't sure of the stretch, but this is actually quite big on me. So I love the fitting on my thighs, on my legs, on my hips, but the waist is big. So I'm gonna take it to the tailors to kind of mend it, because I really like the fitting down on my like thighs. So that's my only issue, but I'll put it on and you let me know what you think. But I love this, the two of them together is really nice. I'm obsessed with it. I literally love them together. I think the two of them, the two colors, like pow, complement each other, like really nice pop. They complement each other really nice, and it's good that we're going to be getting a nice hot weather very soon, so it's a very good vibe together. The other trousers that I got from Mango as well is kind of a satin look as well, but I would say this one has got a bit more of a cotton effect. It's not as smooth as the other one. I came across this on their website and I really loved it. These beautiful, nice wide leg red trousers. I found this really nice. I like the way it fits my curve, my silhouette, and I really loved it. I thought this was classy, and I don't think I have got any red, despite I'm a confession of a shopaholic. Despite I love to buy, I just realized that, hold on, I don't think I've got any red trousers. So that was an excuse, I guess. So I bought it. So yeah, I really like it. I'm not sure if, and I think this was also on sale when they had a discount on it, but it's really nice. Also got this in a small, really like it. Haven't worn it yet to wear it. Hopefully something that I can wear to church or go out, you know, brunch with the girls or something, or you know, a daytime look or something like that. But I really like it and I'm looking forward to wearing it. Again, if you're not the kind of person who don't like to iron, I would not say this is a good idea, because they crease easily, you know. Even me, sometimes I'm like but sometimes we have to go to the limit if you want to look good, you know. But like it, really like it. To style it, I'm going to be styling it with my beautiful, this was actually from Zara last year, spring summer, this really beautiful bodysuit, really beautiful bodysuit. I'm going to be styling it with it. It's a one-hand bodysuit. I love it. I love the ruffle. They've got something similar again on their website. Love this ruffle feeling. I think it gives it that sexy, elegant look. And red and black, oh god, it's sexy. Red and black, oh. So I just had a vision. I'm like, oh yeah. So yeah, red and black, it's nice. And I just thought this will look really nice with it. So I'm going to be styling them together. And I'd like to know what you think about them together. I promise you, this is going to be the last silk, the last satin you're going to see. I promise you. Well, we hope so. So this is a beautiful, actually had a vision. I tell you, I had a vision of, I wanted a nice black monochromatic, really nice black satin trousers, satin suit, like silk. I think it just gives that really classy, like expensive look. I just had that vision and I needed it. So I went on Mango and I found these really beautiful trousers, and it was actually on sale. At first I was thinking of House of CB, if you know House of CB, but I didn't like this. I wasn't feeling it. I really liked this. I really love the look. I love the fit. Oh god, it's very rich. It gives me that rich auntie vibe. So it's really rich. It's nice. It's fitted. Look at this. Look at that. It's really nice. It's so nice, and it's got 2 pockets at the side. And got this in a 10 as well, in a size small 10 as well. Really like this. I think it's really beautiful. So to complement it, because I wanted a complete look, I then went on my favorite blazer website. If you know what that is, comment down below. My favorite blazer website, which was bang, Zara. Zara came through. They came through. They've got this black blazer that has got the whole satin, and that just killed my vision. And I'm like, yeah, got my vision. So it's got this like satin collar, and it's got this one button. God, just like a tuxedo kind of brand. Like, don't worry, I'll style it and you tell me what you think. Like, it's really nice, and I'm just gonna wear it with a nice beautiful bralette that I got from ASOS as well. Actually, beautiful embellished bralette. Like, ugh, God, sexy. Like, just had that vision. Like, really wow, beautiful, gorgeous, expensive, elegant. Do you get what I mean? Like, when you just want to have that all black and have those black shade, like, don't talk to me, no nonsense kind of thing, you know. So that's the vision. But yeah, so I got this from Zara as well. This was sometimes in March. I will check if they've got it, otherwise I'm going to link other things similar to it. This was $59.99 and in a small. Love it. Love them together. Moving on to ASOS now. We know ASOS has got broad different kind of shops that they sell. They do River Island, they do Topshop, they do Dorothy Perkins. They do a lot. Why they even do Mango on there? So a few things as well that I don't find from Mango. Sometimes you go to ASOS and they've got you covered, and they have their own ASOS design, which I'm literally obsessed with. I do like, they have so many brands on their website. That's one thing I like about ASOS. But one thing, you've got to be very patient to find good things on there. Really patient. At the moment, they've got some massive sale, like crazy discount sale. Really nice sale. A lot of these pieces I actually got from the sale, from the discount. So sometimes some sizes are limited. Actually, like the large, extra large, sometimes you might not come round it. You find more of the smaller sizes or something like that. But it doesn't hurt to check, look around, and sometimes just put it in your wish list, and when it comes up, or notify me and you will get it. So I did pick up about 2 blazers and a few more pieces from them, because again, we can never have enough blazer. So the first blazer that I'm obsessed with, that I don't have in my collection, that I was so happy to add to my collection, I was so impressed and so excited when it came and the fitting, was this beautiful fuchsia pink blazer that you've seen on my Instagram. If you follow me, if you don't follow me, that's Flossy Insights. So I love this blazer when it came. It's an ASOS design, and I got this in a size 8 and it fit perfectly. Yeah, in a UK 8, it fitted me perfectly. I believe it was about £50 or so. I will double check again and I will link it. And it's got the black button, which I love the contrast to it. It's really nice, and I love the fact that it goes with so many things. I color block it, really color block it, and I'm gonna color block it for you to see how it looks. Really nice. ASOS, I've noticed with the sizes, size 10s are usually quite big on me. When it comes to their blazer, I have to go with extra small, or yeah, most of the time extra small when it comes to their blazer, because size small comes out, because I like my blazers quite fitted, so it has to be size 8 or size extra small. So I love this, really like, and the quality is nice. It's got the lining in it. What can I say? Money well spent. The other item that I did pick up from ASOS, but it's a Topshop brand, is this beautiful lemon yellow blazer. Really beautiful. I was on the hunt for a beautiful lemon yellow blazer. I do have a yellow blazer, but wasn't this shade, and I was after something. You know, when you know a particular color of blazer you're after, once you see it, you're like, oh, yes, that's the one, I want this one. So that's what happened with this. So I got it, and I was hoping that it comes exactly and looks exactly the same way it looked on the website, and it did. it did. I really like it. So this is a Topshop brand, and I got this in a UK 10 because Topshop, again, I wear a 10, so I know when it comes to Topshop products that I'm a 10 in their blazer, and I love this. And it's got the one button that looks, it's a whitish brown, but I really like it. I am obsessed with it. I have worn it once. The only thing with this, you have to be careful. You need to take it to dry cleaners because it's easily get dirty, but we like it. We gotta be careful, but we like it. The other Zara pieces that I got that I was waiting for it to be delivered that did not come before I did that haul was this really beautiful green season green shorts. Like it. I really like it. I'm going to be styling it with those blazers for you to have an idea. I really like it. It's high-waisted, and I got this in a medium, I believe. Yeah, I got this in a medium, and it's £20, and it's got the gold buttons to the side, and it's got the pockets. Yeah, it's got pockets, but I don't use the pocket, to be honest. I really love it. I love the fitting. I love the, like, it snatches you the right places. It's high-waisted, sexy. You can mix it. Love the color. It's green season. If you haven't got the memo yet, it's green season. Also, something I picked up from Zara is, which I've worn quite a few times, is this white, which I forgot to show in my last haul. It's this white crop top. I did show the green one, I believe. This white crop top, I really like it. It's versatile. You can color block it with other things. You can wear it underneath. Really like it. And I got this in a medium large because they do extra small to small or medium to large. I had to pick up the medium to large. The sleeve is a bit loose, but can't complain. It's better because I like the fitting more. Really like it. What else can I say? That's it, really. And it's part of their basics section, and I think it's about £12 or so. It's inexpensive. It's quite reasonable, but it's something that it's a basic that you need, especially when you're addicted to blazer like I am. So I've got a few more last pieces from ASOS. This is part of their, like I said, they've got a massive sale at the moment. And there's one thing, one of these pieces, actually, I'll tell you, one of them. One thing with skirts, pleat skirts, there's something that you can never get enough of, and it's something that you can always wear, and it has this, it gives you that sophisticated feeling. And I love this color. If you don't know, I love purple. Purple is one of my favorite colors. So I saw this and I just had to get it, and I can't explain myself anymore. So this is some beautiful, you can get away as a fuchsia pink, or you can say it's purple, but it's nice. The quality, I am so impressed. It's from a brand called Outrageous Fortune. LittleMistress.com. They do Little Mistress as well. LittleMistress.com. Outrageous Fortune. I love this. It's got the elastic to it. I had to pick this up in a size 12 because that was the last size that was left. They've got a few of it, I believe. I couldn't, there was no 8 or there was no 10 because I can get away with it with the elastic. But you know what, the concept is I'm going to wear this and put a belt, or if it's that loose, I can get my tailor to mend it for me. But I love the length. I love that it's like the silk effect gives it that really rich posh look about it. This is something you can wear to an office, something you can wear to church, somewhere conservative, you know, and that's the concept, and that's what, you know, you can tell a lot without, you know what I mean. So I love this. I really like this. I think it's so, I'm so in love with it. It's got a weight to it to tell you that it is really good quality, so not complaining. And it was actually on sale. It was very cheap, really cheap. I'm not gonna lie. It's probably about £25 from a massive discount, but I really like it. The other item I love is this beautiful, this might not be everybody's vibe, it's my vibe. I like it. This is this beautiful orange dress, and it's got this belt to it. This material is, those materials are quite stretchy. It's got a zip to it, and to be honest, when I wore it, I didn't even notice. I wore it without the zip because I didn't even notice because it's that stretchy. The material is kind of an off-shoulder, one-hand puffy kind of dress to it. I have to wear it for you to see the concept and how it looks. It's really nice. It's midi length, literally goes past my knees a little bit. I think this is a very beautiful pop of color, and it's an ASOS design as well. I got this in a size 10, and it was a massive discount. I believe it was from 50 something pound to about under £20. I'm literally not joking, just under £20. And I was so impressed, like, I hope they have it in my size, and they did. so impressed. So I really like it. I love it. So I mean, the only thing I'll complain is these belts that have got no holes to it, they're very annoying. So you have to find yourself constantly pulling it. So what I'd probably do is use my own belt, get a different belt if it's that frustrating or something, because it can get really annoying because it's constantly, but it looks nice with the belt on it. But I'll see something, I'll figure something out. But yeah, that's the only thing I can say about this. But it's beautiful. I love the color blocking with some beautiful, maybe nice blue sandals, like blue heels, or even green. It will go, or even fuchsia pink. Yeah, it's a vibe to go really nice with this. Really beautiful. And it's a thing you can wear to a wedding. It's like a wedding look, something corporate. You can wear to church. You can wear to like some events, some really nice events. Is now outside is open and we can do so many things. This is something that is really versatile, and the quality as well. I can wear going into winter. Honestly, it's quite thick. You can't wear it when it's too hot because it's like that foamy material, but otherwise we're good. The last of the bunch is this beautiful dress that I was so shocked when it came. It looked really nice on the website and I really like it. I liked it on me. It's this really nice, beautiful baby blue, turquoise blue midi-length dress. It's like a sleeveless kind of dress, and it's got a zip at the back, and this was from almost £50, went out to about £17 or so. Yes, that much of a discount, so not money down the drain. This is something that I'm gonna definitely use for a party, and you can also put a blazer on it if you like those cold kind of times or cold evenings or something, or you want to wear it to somewhere a little bit more, you don't want your back open or something, you can put a blazer on it on your shoulder. But this is something that I could wear on a dinner date, wear it to a friend's birthday or something. It's really nice. I really like the concept, and it's got this kind of like a pleats kind of thing to it. It's got the pleats, a ruffle pleats thing going on it and things. But the only thing I would say is, but even though it's perfect for me, the only thing I'd say is that the strings has got no gauge, so you can't really control it. That's the only thing. But for me, it was perfect. I can't complain. For anybody else, could be a problem. And it's got a slit, the lower side, to help you walk a bit more. But it's really like straight fitted. Really. The other shop that honestly, like, I always think this shop is a lot more for like teenagers. I don't know why. I never ever gravitate to it, but it's just surprised me like a few times now. It surprised me a lot, even though they're kind of branded similar to Zara. I think is a bit, would I say, a bit of a cheaper version or something, would I say? But yeah, so this is Bershka. So I did pick up a few things the past 3 weeks from Bershka. I am in love. Actually, how I ended up there was I was searching for an orange blazer. A girl can never have enough blazer, so just like, you know, we know it's a classic. So I came across this beautiful, like, I wasn't seeing anyone that just gave me that vibe, and I decided to purchase one I saw in Bershka. I was like, let's just take a risk and see. Worst case scenario, we'll return it. And to your surprise, to my surprise, in fact, to my surprise, I was more than impressed. I loved it. I love the quality, I love the color, everything. This beautiful Zara, this beautiful blazer from Bershka. Like, look at this color, just check it out. And it's got the linen blend, it's monochromatic, and you've got the orange thing. They've also got the baby blue one on their website, but I've got no blues for now, so I was actually after this orange one. And do you know the funny thing, this was the only size left, but they restock regularly, because the last time I went there, they've got more in stock, and even in the stores and stuff. Sometimes you find more in stores, depends. But honestly, I am impressed. I was so impressed. I love the fitting of this blazer. It's got the lapel to it. It's linen blend. It doesn't look cheap, and it's just $39.99. I'm happy with the price. I'm fine with the price. You know, it's better than paying. I mean, if it was Zara, it's going to be more expensive than that. And it's got the 3 monochromatic buttons as well on the sleeves. I love it. I just can't say anything. Look at that on my skin tone. It's popping. To style it, the other thing I got from Bershka was this beautiful baby blue linen blend trousers. It's wide leg, and it's got this box pleat at the side. The fitting is to die for. I really love the fitting. I just can't explain it. Like, the styling side part of this video, you're gonna see it. Like, I love the fitting. It literally complements my curves, and I am happy. We are happy with anything that complements our curves, you get me? So I love this. It's got the white button to it. Also, the blazer, the other blazer they've got is exactly in this turquoise blue kind of effect, and they also have an orange trouser to it, which I'll show you. You know, your girl had to get it. So yeah, so I love this. The other thing as well I would say is typical linen blend or linen. It gets creased a lot, so if you don't like ironing, then don't get it. Otherwise, if you're gonna ignore it and just iron it, just suck it up and iron it. It's worth it, and it's only $29.99, $29.99, and in a small size. We like it. Money well spent. To join the styling combo for this, I'm going to style it with this my top that it's still available. I actually saw it yesterday browsing through Zara again, God help me. So they've still got it on Zara website. I love this blouse because it's got so many colors to it. So I'm going to show you style it with this blouse on and off, with the blazer, off with the blazer, with the trouser, and you see and you tell me which one do you prefer? Do you like it? Do you feel in the vibe? Sorry, I am talking fast so that I don't take too much time, because the surprise hits when you're about to edit the video. You realize that, whoa, it's that long. So anyway, onto Bershka again. The other item that I picked up was this very beautiful linen blend. Look at that. Look at the color is different from my play suit. It's beautiful. It's like really nice. It's gorgeous. I really like this. I really like it. You see, it's something that the only issue is it creases. Even despite I ironed it not too long ago for the video, it's creased already. But I really like it as well. Got this inner size small, the same thing like the blue trouser, and it's got the fake lapel, just the lapel there, no pockets. It's just a style, and it's got the orange monochromatic button, and it's got a zip to it. It's wide leg. Love this. Love it. To style the trousers, I'm going to color block it with this beautiful crop blazer again that I got from Bershka. In love with it. I love the concept. I love the style. Got this in a medium, ordered two of them in a small and a medium just to see the fitting, and I prefer, for my comfort, I honestly prefer the medium, because this is something that you can't wear with a bra, because the back is just strings. You just got strings, and it's the strings that holds it. I don't think you can wear bra with this, personally. I don't think. And if you've got a big boobs, I don't think I'd recommend it, but I really like it. I love the crops. I love the concept. I love the green, and it's like an olive green, yeah. And it's got a little button by the side. Really nice crop blazer, really classy. You see how I dressed up. Tell me if you like it. That's about it with my collective haul. So you've seen a bit more Zara, you've seen the Mango, you've seen the ASOS, you've seen the Topshop, you've seen H&M as well. Thank you so much. If you stick to the end of this video, thank you very much. I do appreciate for taking your time out to watch my video. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it, honestly. And I would love to know which is your favorite. I'd love to know what you think of each of these shops. What do you think of the quality? What do you think of their style of fashion? Is it the kind of thing you gravitate to? What do you think of their prices? Let's keep talking on the comments bit. Let's keep talking. Honestly, I do reply back to your messages. I do. And if it's your first time you've been, or your second time, your third time, fourth time you've come across my channel and you've been watching me and you haven't subscribed yet, it's free. Just subscribe to the channel. And also, please don't forget to click the notification bell whenever I upload. I am gonna try and upload every Sunday if possible, every Sunday for now. And if you've loved this video and you like this video and you like my vibe, help your girl out, because YouTube works with algorithm. The more thumbs up I get, the more my video gets pushed out. So yeah, I would really like it if you give me a thumbs up. And also, if you like it, to share this video, tell somebody about Flossy Insight. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, Flossy Insight 02. Let's keep talking. And I hope we keep staying safe, keep partying, enjoying this weather. Now London weather is getting better. It's getting better. So we are happy. We are in a very hyped, happy mode. So I hope we're all having fun. Just anyway, take care from me now. That's it. Bye.